Good morning, dear students. So I've started for my final year's Deloitte company practice questions. Deloitte company practice questions in which I told you have to look into all these 5 topics. In previous papers, we got questions from time and distance, averages, pipes and scissors, bores and streams, and ratio and proportions. Ratio and proportions. So as a part of this, in the last 2 videos, I told about the number series, 8 questions how to solve. Some more I will solve for you. These are Deloitte practice questions in the form of Deloitte. Now we are talking about averages. So let me explain what is meant by average in simpler method. Suppose one student got 30 marks in one subject out of 100 in any one exam, 60 in one subject, okay, then 50 in one subject, 60 in one more subject, and how much now? 120, 150, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4 subjects, 200 marks he got. Okay, 4 subjects, let us take 4 subjects. So these are the various marks per 100 he got. Now what is the average? Average means we'll add 60 plus 60, 120 plus 150, 150 plus 200 divided by 4 subjects. That means 50 marks. What is the meaning of it? Do you know, dear students? In first subject he got 50, second subject 50, third subject 50, fourth subject 50 on an average. So average means making all equal, making everything equal. That is called as average. So here what we are doing, if we got 30, we are adding 20. If we got 50, this is 50. If we got 60, we are removing 10. Okay, like this 20 marks we are adding here. So less marks we will add, more marks we will decrease. 20 we are adding here. So less marks we are adding, more marks we are decreasing. So average means, dear students, making everything equal. If you know the meaning of this, we can understand. Now total it is 60, 60, 120, 200 marks total. So if we have 4 different subjects, so 200 by 4 is 50 marks, we can get the average. So let us see, dear students. Now let us go to the actual question in average. Question number 1 from Deloitte model. The average age of a group of 10 students is 15 years. The average age of a group of 10 students is 15 years. When 5 more students join the group, the average age rose by 1 year. What is the average in years of the new student? I'll repeat the question once again. The average age. Average means making everything equal. That is my meaning, dear students. The average age of a group of 10 students is 15 years. So there are 10 members. Their average is 15 years. This is members. This is number of persons. So 50 is 150 years is total. So 10 members. Average age of a group of 10 members is 15 years. Now 5 more students join the group. Then the 10 members will become 15 members. 5 more students join the group. 10 will become 15. The average rose by 1 year. Average was 15. It increases to 16. This is 15. It became 16. See how clear it is. So 10 members average 15 years. Average means all are equal according to us. So 10 into 15, 150 we can get. So 150 is for 10 members. Now 5 members increased. So average rose by 1 year. Actual average was 15. It rose by 1 year means it became 16. So 15 into 16 if you take it is 240. Because 15 is 225. 225 plus 15. So what is the difference now? If you take the difference, just write 240 and 150 difference is 90. I am writing here. It's nothing but 90 years is the difference before addition of 5 students. Before 5 members added to the group and after 5 members added to the group, the difference is 90 years. This now, what is the average of the 5 members? Average means all are same. So there are 5 members in the group. So 90 divided by 5. 5 18s are 90. 5 18s are 90. Answer is nothing but 18 years. So what I'm doing is previously first I'm taking. So what is before? What happened before? What happened afterwards? What happened before? What happened afterwards? Before it is 150. Afterward it is 160. So answer is nothing but difference is 240 years. So what is the difference in any question, dear students? You have to compare what is given in the beginning. What is the result afterwards? What is given in the beginning? What is the result afterwards? If you just take the difference of the two, that will give the answer. If you just take the difference of the two, that will give the answer. This will happen only in comparison. Whenever you compare two men, okay, upstream or downstream, okay, before marriage, after marriage, in ages, in ratios, before ratio, after ratio, like this, dear students. This is the first question. I am going for the second one. The average temperature on Monday is a very, very important question, dear students. This model which I am telling to you is been given many times in Deloitte. This model, but these are not the numbers. These are not the numbers, but model in average you're getting this type, and second one this type. That is Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, the average temperature was 36 degrees. On Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, the average temperature was 36 degrees, and that for Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday it is 35. On Thursday, the temperature was 34 degrees. What is the temperature on Monday? So let me reread the question. The average temperature on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. I will write here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. My students know average means all are same. 36 degrees is telling. This is the average. This is the average for temperature on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So total we have 3 days. So 36 into 3. How to do 30 into 3? 90. 6 into 3? 18. 33 is a 90. 6 is a 18. It is 90 plus 18. 108 degrees is the total for 3 days. In the same way, the average for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday and the Thursday, the average is 35 degrees. So my students know average means for Tuesday 35, Wednesday 35, Thursday 35. It may be different in the 3 cases, but on an average, it is 35, 35, 35. So if I want total, 35 into 3, 33 is 90, 5 3 is 15, 90 plus 15, 105 degrees. Okay. Now on Thursday, the temperature is 34. On Thursday, it is 34. What is the temperature on Monday? Now what I am going to do? Monday, Tuesday plus Wednesday minus Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday. If I subtract, what happens? What happens? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 108 minus Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 105. That is equal to 3 degrees. 3 degrees. So dear students, we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday cancel. Monday minus Thursday is equal 3 degrees. Thursday we have 34 degrees, dear students. Thursday he gave how much? 34. So Monday will become 34 plus 3, 37. So Monday will become definitely 34 plus 3, 37 degrees. That is the third option. So what we are doing, dear students, we are finding any average question. If you give the average, we are finding the total. We are finding second total. We are taking the difference. We are taking the difference between first and second. That gives the answer. Hope you are able to understand these two questions. These models are very important in Deloitte, dear students. Those who are preparing for average, if you are not able to understand, I will make it slow. Okay. Okay. I am going for the next question. Let us see the next question. A man engaged a servant for 40 days. A man engaged a servant for 40 days work on the condition that he would pay him 20 rupees for each day he works. So if you do work, you will get 20 rupees. Okay. And he would get a fine of 10 rupees for each day he was absent. If you are absent, 10 rupees fine. Okay. Hope it's very clear. I will rewrite the same thing, dear friends. So if you work 20 rupees, if you are absent 10 rupees minus. Okay. So how to solve this kind of question? At the end of 40 days completed, the servant got 500 rupees. Find the number of days he was absent. Find the number of days he was absent. So in this type of questions, how to solve easily, dear students, I am telling in a very tricky method. Okay. Suppose how to solve. Think that a person is working for 40 days. Suppose you are working for 40 full days. How much you have to get? 20 rupees per day. So 40 into 20 is 800 rupees you are going to get for 40 days. This is final if you are working for all the 40 days. But how much you got? Only 500. We got 500 only, dear students. That means how much we did not get? 300 rupees. So that means 300 rupees you are absent. If you work for 40 days, you will get 800. But you are given only 500 means for 300 rupees you are absent. That means how many days? Okay. 10 rupees fine. 10 rupees fine, isn't it? That means so you are getting 30 days. So 500 rupees is for 30 days. That means you are absent for 10 days. So dear students, fully if you work you have to get 800, but you are getting 500 means 300 rupees. You are losing it. That means 10 rupees for each day fine. So 300 divided by 10 means 30. 30, okay. So final answer is nothing but 10 days are absent, 30 days you are present. 30 days are present, 10 days are absent. Let us see the next question. The average age of father and son, 40. Average means my students know father is 40. Son is 40. The average age of father and son is 40 years. The average age of father and mother is 54. The average of mother and son is 38. What is the average age of father, mother and son? By seeing the question, the students generally get confused. Oh, what is this? Such a big question. I don't know how to solve this. But actual thing is not like that, dear students. Father plus son. Okay. Father plus mother. Mother plus son. What I observed is father is 2 times in this, son is 2 times in this, mother is 2 times. Father is twice, mother is twice, son is twice in the question. The average age of father and son is 40. The average age of father and mother is 54. The average of mother and son is 38. What is the average of father, mother and son? You know, average means equal. So father and son, as I tell you students. So father and son, total it is 40 into 2, 80. Father and mother, total is 54, 52 is 100, 108. Mother and son, total is 38, 32 is 60, 8 to 16, 78. Okay, I got like this, dear students. 32 60, 78, 52 100, 108, 42 80. So this is the total now. 16, 266 I got. 266 if I am not wrong. Okay, 266. Let me check once again, dear students. The average of father and son is 40 years. 40 into 2, 80 is the total. The average of father minus 52 is 100, 108. The average of 32 60, 78. Not 78, dear students, I'm sorry. 32 60 and 76. That's what I'm checking. So it's nothing but 14. 264. Now this is 2 times you're getting father 2 times, mother 2 times, son 2 times. So by 2, I am doing, dear students, here. If you don't think otherwise, I'll write here. Okay, 264 by 2. 264 by 2. That is 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 twos are. 132 years. So what I have done, father plus son total 80. Father and mother total 108. Mother and son total 38. Total it is 264. This is 2 times father, 2 times mother, 2 times son. So divided by 2 is equal to 132. Now the thing is that 132 is for 3 persons, father, mother and son. So 3 fours are 12. 113, 3 fours are 12. I got 44 years. Third option. So what we are doing? Total we have taken 264. It is 2 times father, 2 times mother, 2 times, so by 2. So I have got 132. This is for 3 members, for father, for mother, for son. So total average means by 3, dear students, that is nothing but 44 years, which is the third option. Hope you understood this question and the previous one also. There are many methods of solving aptitude question. This is not the only process of solving this question. You may have different techniques. You can solve it in a very shortcut method. See that you solve the question in 40 seconds to 45 seconds, dear students, because 1 minute time is given per question. So for reading, you will at least take 15 to 20 seconds. Okay? Practice will help you, dear students. A man engaged a servant on the condition that he would pay him 2,100 rupees. I am solving it here, dear students. A man engaged one servant on some work. What is the condition? He'll pay 2,100 and he'll give a shirt. Generally, you know, dear students, the shirt cut will be between 200, 250, 300 and 350. We have to find out what is the cost of the shirt. After a service of 1 year, you have to work for 1 year. That is the condition. Now the servant served only for 7 months. Because of some personal work, he left. The man engaged a servant on the condition that he will pay him 2,100 rupees and a shirt after a service of 1 year. He will pay him rupees 2,100 and a shirt after 1 year. So many students, I know, many students get confusion in this question. Okay? So what is, this is given. But the servant worked only for 7 months. But the servant only worked for 7 months. He was paid how much? 1,100 rupees. So actually, dear students, this is the question. So if you work for full year, you'll get 2,100 rupees for this shirt. But the servant worked only for 7 months, so he got only 1,100 rupees and the shirt. What is the cost of the shirt? So first of all, dear friends, first, what is the difference? What is in the beginning? What is in the latter? What is the difference between both? That will give you the answer. If you see here, 2,100 minus 1,100, if you take 0,001, 1,000 rupees. Difference is there. In months, 1 year means 12 months. He worked only for 7 months, no? So 1,000 rupees difference. He worked only for 7 months. He did not work for 5 months. He did not work for 5 months. So 200 rupees difference is there per month. 200 rupees difference is there for 5 months. If you talk about 1 year, so 200 rupees into 1 year, that is 12 months. 2,400 rupees actually has to be given. 2,400 rupees has to be given without shirt. But he got 2,100 plus shirt. So what is the cost of the shirt now? 2,400 minus 2,100 means 300 rupees. What is the cost of the shirt? 300 rupees. So what you are doing, dear students, first take the difference, 1,000 rupees. Year or months difference for 5 months, difference is there, that means 200 per each month. So if you give completely only without shirt, so 200 into 12 is 2400 has to be given, but he got only 2100 plus one shirt, so shirt cost is automatically 300 rupees. So dear students, these are Deloitte questions, model, practice them, okay? In a class of 20 students in maths exam, so it is clear that there are 20 students in a class. Those students scored 100 marks. So this is about average. 2 students scored 100 marks. So 200 marks. Okay. 3 students scored 0 marks. So there are 3 students who scored 0 marks. Okay. In a class of 20 students in maths exam, 2 students scored 100 marks. 3 students scored 0 marks. And an average of the rest was 40. Average of the rest. How much for rest? 2 students gone, 100, 3 students gone, 5 students gone. Remaining are 15 students out of 23 plus 2, 5 students gone, 15 students, and their average was 40. Average was 40. This is the actual story, students, which is told in the question. In a class of 20 students, 2 students scored 100 marks, so 200 marks. Plus 0 plus 15 fours are 600. 15 fours are 60. 600. Total 800 marks, dear friends. So what is the average of the full class? How many are there? 20 members. 40 marks. 2 40s are 80. That's all. So 20 students are there, it is 40. So 2 students got 100, 200, 3 students got 0, and the remaining got 600. So 600 plus 200, 800 for 20 students. Those who got 0, it's no problem for us. So total 800 divided by 20 students means 40 on an average. Average means equal. Average means equal. Yes, students, this is the first set of 8 questions which I explained in average. If you have any problems, students, please ask in comments so that I'll rectify my video. Please watch and subscribe my video, dear friends. It's a kind request and promote it. And I'll try to give some more questions in averages in Deloitte. And also we're going next time like this in an order for Deloitte company. I'm making these questions so that all the students can crack the examination. Those who are writing, you know that December 21st or 21st was the last date for applying for Deloitte. Still exam date has not been given. It may be in the month of January. You have ample time, dear students. Please. Now there is a recession around the world. All the students know it. So please plan properly and get selected, dear students. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.